Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Yes, so today we're going to make some nice vegetable rice. Very easy, quick recipe and very yummy. So wash your rice, add it in the pan, add in a one leaf, bay leaf, and some cinnamon, some salt and pepper in there, some water. Yes, I cooked 1 cup of basmati rice, so I'm going to add in 2 cups of water. Let it cook until it comes to until it's ready. So yes guys, these are our ingredients. Yes, as you can see them, some carrots, some French beans, some spring onions. So yes, in a different pan, add your oil, heat it up, and add your carrots. Now you're going to cook your carrots first because you want them to, since they take a bit of time, you want them to soften up a bit. Yes, add in your onions and garlic and some ginger. Mix this properly. Don't let it burn. Yes, add in your French beans, your green peppers, your red and yellow bell peppers. In there, you can add in corn, yellow corn, or you can add in anything that stands out for you. Yes, spice it up. So this is our rice. We let it sit aside so that it cools. Yes, add in some salt and some pepper, some paprika, cumin. There, you add it in there, mix properly. Yes, now guys, this smells so good. This is so nice. So you add in at this point, please add in your rice. Nicely mix it up, and guys, this does not take long and yet it's so nice. Now you can eat this the way it is. You can just cut some avocado and eat it, or you can add in some stew or something, but personally I prefer eating it like this. So I added in some spring onions and some coriander in there last, so that their flavor is so that they have they bring that flavor. Yes, so guys, this is so nice. Try it out and let me know. Thank you. God bless you.